Hi, I'm Tina from Tina K Skincare. I'm going to show you a Dr. Spiller facial today. This one is for generally combination skin and oily and problem, but it is also suitable for sensitive skin as well that tends to be irritated or red. So we're going to start with a cleanse with the cucumber cleanser, which is a milky non-drying cleanser with garden cucumber. So it's good for combination and problematic skin. So I'm going to do a double cleanse. Just want to make sure that the skin is well cleansed of any makeup and oil before we carry on with doing our masks. So today I'm going to do 2 masks back to back. So after I use the special peeling milk, I'm going to use the Fresh and Fruit mask, which is a moisturizing, revitalizing gel mask with fruit enzymes. So it has some pineapple extract, and it is infused with different vitamins B and C. So that'll be a nice exfoliating mask treatment to follow the special peeling milk, but it'll also infuse the skin with some essential vitamins. And then we'll follow that with the Sanvita mask, which is an instant pick-me-up, and it has green tea and ginseng in it, plus along with vitamins A, C and E. So this facial is based around deep cleansing and exfoliating, but also an antioxidant and vitamin infusion. So that's the first cleanse there. And so we simply just repeat the process. It smells so lovely, this cleanser. It's just it's a light milky cleanser. Not a thick heavy, it's quite a light consistency, more like a lotion rather than a cream. So it doesn't leave a residue, heavy residue on the skin like some milk cleansers do, yet it's very gentle on the skin. It doesn't leave the skin feeling dry or stripped either. Okay, so we always follow with a toner. So using the cucumber toner, which is this one here, and it restores the skin back to its normal pH, which is important to get the skin balanced so that it will accept any further treatments into the skin, like your serums, and in this case our masks. So we just go over with a cotton pad. This instantly feels soothing on the skin too. So this tonic is suitable for combination skin, dry skin, pretty much all skin types including sensitive, but it is also good for problematic skin as well. Okay, so we've done a double cleanse and also now we've toned. So it's time to do our manual exfoliation with special peeling milk. This has such a lovely granule feel and gives you a nice thorough exfoliation without being rough. It has cellulose beads in it and it helps to retexturize the skin and unclog pores. It's also good for anyone because it's not irritating or rough. It's also a good exfoliation option for anyone who is sensitive as well. You can do these, the first cleansing step in the shower if you like, and then followed by the exfoliation in the shower, and then when you get out you can use your toner. It's a good idea when exfoliating to concentrate on any areas that you tend to find are more prone to blocking, like the nose, the forehead. It's different for everybody. Don't forget your neck and chest. I won't do my chest completely in this demo. Other than the special peeling milk, there is the jojoba peeling cream in the range as well, which is a little more gentle, and that one is specified for quite sort of reactive or sensitive skin. But the special peeling milk is better for normal skin, blocked and congested. So it's a good idea to do exfoliating at least probably twice a week, 3 times a week depending on your skin type. You can probably do 3 times a week or every second day if you have quite resilient skin, quite thick skin, or quite congested skin as well. Try not to be rough if you have active pustules, which is pussy pimples, because you don't want to sort of irritate or inflame those anymore, but nice and gently does it. I'm just going to remove that with a clean wet washer. But this can be done in the shower too, so you can simply rinse off, cleanse, double cleanse, and then do your exfoliation, rinse off, and then when you hop out, you can do the toning step. Okay, so I'm going to tone again because I want to make sure my skin is returned back to its normal pH, and that any of the residue of that exfoliant has been taken care of. So now we're going to go apply the Fresh and Fruit mask. So I want to leave that on for about 15 minutes. So this has an enzyme in it from pineapple. So it helps to break down the bonds that hold dead skin cells together. So it gives you a deeper exfoliation than just the manual exfoliant. But it also infuses the skin with vitamins B and C. Okay. This is the Fresh and Fruit mask. It comes in a nice little tub like that. Just going to put it on with a mask brush. Just get a little bit out into a container. So cooling and refreshing. Apply that all over. You can go on the neck and chest as well. Just want to put a robe on. A little tip with this too, once you get it applied, as long as your skin is not, if it doesn't have active acne, then suggest that you give this a bit of a work in, because it gives your skin a nice stimulation as well, like a bit of a massage. So I'll show you how to do that. But just leave it sit just like that to do its job if you have acne. Because with acne you don't want to sort of manually stimulate too much. Okay. Smells so nice, this. You can smell the pineapple in it. That's a Fresh and Fruit mask. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of a massage in. You can do this for as long as you like, and then let it sit for the rest of the time. This mask, I recommend you leave it on for about 15 minutes minimum, but you can leave it longer if you like. You can actually put it on and go to bed in it. I suggest that you do that at least probably an hour or so before you go to bed to let it settle into the skin so it doesn't end up all over your pillow. But it is a clear, a very lightly coloured clearish mask, so it won't stain anything. Okay, so I would then leave this on for about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. But I'm going to take it off so that I can continue showing you the next step. So this is just a bit more intensive treatment you can do yourself for the fact that we've got 2 different masks. So we're double masking, starting with this Fresh and Fruit mask and then following on with the Samvita mask. Okay, so I'm going to skip the waiting process and remove that. So normally you would leave, once again, probably at least 15 minutes. So the Samvita mask is good for all skin types, but is also great for any red, irritated and sensitive skins because it has a very calming effect with the green tea and the ginseng, but it's also a great vitamin infusion. So it has vitamin A, C, and E, and vitamins B in it too. So this here is the Sanvita mask. I'm going to apply this with a brush too. You can use your fingertips if you don't have any mask brushes, but if you are using a mask brush, make sure that you do cleanse your brushes and you don't use you know, a brush that's been lying around that hasn't been cleansed. So this is a semi-setting mask. It doesn't go really hard, but it does set a little bit. So even though it does set a little bit, it's still easy to remove. Now I'll leave this on for about 15 minutes as well. But I won't do that today, so I can move on with the next step, which is my serum, moisturizer and eye cream. So that can be quite close to the eyes, just not right up, about there. Okay, so yeah, I would leave that for about 20 minutes on me, but I will take it off so that I can carry on with the next few steps. Again, take a clean warm washer and remove this. And then again, get the your cucumber tonic out, because it just rebalances the skin again and will make your skin ready for your moisturizing steps and your treatment steps, which are your serums. So today I'm going to use the Collagen Aqua Plus, which has hydrolyzed collagen in it, and it's a really light sort of lotion texture. It has vitamin A, B and zinc in it too, so it also has a calming effect, but it's super hydrating. Helps with the fine lines too because it has the collagen in it. So that's the Collagen Aqua Plus, comes in a nice pump like that. So first of all, just going to use that toner again. That just makes sure that I've got all of my mask off as well. Okay. So I'll show you how much you use of your Collagen Aqua Plus. About that much there. And just spread it around, pat it on. Again, on your face, neck and chest. And pat that in. It can be used around the eye area. Not on the eyes, but around. You can just feel the instant hydration when you apply this serum. It honestly is one of Dr. Spilla's biggest selling serums. And it's perfect under the collagen cream. So the collagen cream is moisture binding, so it really helps to keep your skin's moisture trapped in. It has collagen in it, grapeseed oil. Okay, so that's that. And this is the Dr. Spilla collagen cream. It has the most amazing smell and natural blue color. That's it there. So that there is enough to do my face, neck and chest. It goes a long way. So the way you apply Dr. Spilla moisturizer is just emulsify in your fingertips and then pat all over. and just press in. Okay, so next step is the eye contour cream. That's it there. So this is a really soothing but rejuvenating eye cream, which has beta carotene in it and avocado oil. It also contains some vitamins in it, which is the A, C and E. Got the tiniest amount there, and that's enough for both eyes. It's really suitable too, this one, other than being super hydrating, plumping fine lines, but it's also good if you are someone that tends to find it hard to find a suitable eye cream because of irritation. So this one here is just, I often recommend it too. As soon as the client says, I can't use an eye cream because it always irritates, then it's just a go-to then for me when in my recommendations, because I have never had anyone that has found this irritating. So just pat that in, and with what you've got left on your fingertips, just go along your brow bone there, not right onto the eyelid, but around brow bone, and then onto your lip as well. Generally anything that's good for your eyes is good for your lips, so you can give your lips a treatment as well. So there you go, that's a nice super hydrating but exfoliating vitamin infusing Dr. Spiller treatment that you can do at home. Okay, and I'll just let that all soak in. My skin will be feeling and looking extremely plump and hydrated once all that soaks in.